the Soul Sniper team here. We are now fully automated and powered by artificial intelligence to enhance your sniping activity. We have added new features to the Sniper. Now, let's get into the Sniper. As you guys know, we do automated slippage now and priority fuse CS. You don't have to worry about that anymore. We did just to help you guys out, and we hope y'all love it. And if you're using your own RPC down here, like I said, be fully custom RPC support, simply check this tick box and putting in endpoints here. Let's get right into it. For video purposes, I'm going to be getting 0.01. You guys do whatever you're comfortable with. Never ever full pull or anything like that. Always be safe. I'm going to set my take profit for video purposes at 10. We'll put a 50 stop loss and our timeout at 500 seconds. As for safety, I'm going to be at 100. I'm feeling risky. You guys do not follow me. Choose what you're comfortable with. As for Gexes, or don't choose all of them. And, alright guys, we're going to start running the bot. As you can see here, the bot started successfully. And I will be back with you guys when I run a snipe. And boom, guys, looks like we got a snipe here. We are currently in the trade right now. And let's see what happens to it. As you can see here, you have your chart right here. You can also view it on SoulScam, Dex Screener, or GMGN AI. While we're checking out what this sync does, I do want to get in touch with you guys. Just in case you don't know what timeout is, pretty much this is just, say I bought it and put it on 10 seconds. The bot would automatically sell after 10 seconds. So that's pretty much just saying, how long would I like to hold it before I manually sell it, or the bot will do it for me. And oh, the Gandal's coming in, guys. Look at that. We are up 5% right now. Look there. A big handle's coming in, guys. And boom. As you can see, we went ahead and hit our take profit. 18%. What a freaking trade, boys. Let's go and snipe another one. I'll be back when we snipe into another one, boys. There we are, guys. We are in another snipe here. The Pierce Coins Hero. You guys could see the coin information at the top left also. Or obviously, just check out the chart on any of these 3 links right here. Oh, and there we go. A big candle coming. And I do want to again show you guys right here. So, pretty much what will happen in your logs when you're in a snipe is, as you'd see here, I see a new token launch, shows the address. I have my safety checked away at 10 seconds. Pretty much what the safety checked away is how many seconds, is to bargain away to buy in after seeing the coin launch. And whoa, Joy've kind of taken off there, guys. We'd love to see that. But as you can see, do token pass all internal filter checks and all premium filter checks, which is why I went ahead and got me in. I started the buying process, and 2 seconds later, we were in, and while I look there, I'm talking to you guys, and we hit our take profit. What a successful trade. I want you guys to know, those were 2 back-to-back trades, and, maybe the market's high right now, but we are loving it. The sniper is working awesomely. Head boom. I went ahead and did a third snipe for you guys, staying off the store video, because why would we not, boys? As you can see here, we are MetaZen coin. Chart is looking beautiful. We're up 7%. And boom. Just like that, guys, our take profit is reached. So that was really quick. I had tough recording as soon as we got into that one. But as you guys can see, we did our take profit in 50 seconds. Pretty good trade. Anyways, guys, Soul Sniper team out. Have a great one.